Okay, this video has gone viral, and for good reason. Half the internet believes it's AI, the other half believes it's real. I've actually tracked down the actual person who posted it. They literally opened a TikTok account just to post this video. They captured this anomaly over a volcano in Mexico as they were driving down the highway. It's not fake. It's not AI. It's something that they actually saw. They have no idea what it was or what it was doing. But they've also stated this isn't the first time that locals have seen some unidentified objects around their volcano, above it, and even going inside of it. It's almost normal. Are they trying to prevent something? Take a look at this. Comment below. Tell me what you think.